Hackers. Recently, while trying to do a video recording, I discovered that my webcam that I use for on my desk recording isn't working anymore. I was getting audio from it, but was not getting any sort of video. So I went out and bought a replacement. And what I have is a Microsoft LifeCam Studio. This unit does not only the 720p that the old unit did, but also does 1080p HD video recording. Inside the box we have this very unassuming little camera with a rubber lens cover. USB 2 connection. The cover doesn't stay on. The mount is flexible, so you can put it over your monitor or you can use it as a stand in its own right. I've got instructions. A single page. That's nice and easy to follow. Plug it in. Microsoft.com hardware download, so there is a download site to go to, so we'll do that after we hook it up. Looks like it can be connected to a laptop screen or a desktop computer, and looking at the connection on the bottom, I can connect this to one of my tripods. I think the next step now is to connect it to the computer, so I'll join you again after I connect it to the computer, hopefully using that camera. Okay, now at the Microsoft website, microsoft.com/hardware/downloads, we'll go to webcams, and we have the LifeCam. To install the latest firmware drivers and software for your LifeCam, select the appropriate link for your product below. Note that the LifeCam Cinema, LifeCam HD 3000, LifeCam Studio and LifeCam VX, no additional software firmware drivers or drivers are needed. If you are running Windows 8.1 or later, no update software is required. So let's change to the camera view then and see what it looks like. Okay, this is the view through the new camera at 1080p. Hopefully it is nice and clear. If you enjoy this video, please click like, subscribe and ring that bell to see future notifications of videos coming out. Google believes you'll like these videos, and we'll see you on the next video.